Good morning, guys. How are you today? So, guys, today I am going to unbox my priciest riding gear purchase till now. माझं आत्तापर्यंतचं सगळ्यात महागडं रायडिंग गिअर परचेस. You guessed it right. It's a helmet. Now, guess which one it is. Let's break the suspense. There you go. LS2 Thunder Plus Carbon Edition. This is full carbon. पूर्ण कार्बनचं LS2चं lightest weight helmet. Touring helmet आहे. So we are going to go ahead and do the unboxing for you today. So let's begin. बघूया आपण याच्यामध्ये काय काय मिळतंय आपल्याला. There you go. Okay. Premium box pack आहे, you can see. तर okay, let's start with this. This is additional extra visor. This is a smoked one, very good quality extra visor from LS2. Then okay, this is something. Then we have this pin lock. This is a pin lock ready helmet, and you won't believe this is not just another pin lock. This is max vision. Almost every pin lock are max vision, but this is max vision 120. I guess you can see this. So that's it here, and there we go. Our helmet. Ta-da! Here it is. This lovely backpack. Extremely good quality backpack they have provided with this premium helmet. Yes, absolutely. This is the range topping helmet. Yes, there's one more helmet which is FIM certified, that is again Thunder, and that costs around 45,000. This has costed me around 35,000 rupees. So let's not waste any further time. Open this up and see what the helmet is like. Okay, there's one more backpack inside. Cool stuff, LS2. Keep it this side. Quickly open this up, and here we go, guys. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Zabardast. What do you think? See, LS2 branding. On the back end side, you can see LS2 Thunder Plus Carbon Edition. This is hardly 1300 plus or minus 50 grams. So you can guess how light it is. I can hold it just like that, and you won't believe the kind of experience that I'm having right now. I am an absolute fan of LS2 helmets. My earlier helmet is also LS2 Storm 2. That was something that I bought last year when I started riding, and since then I had been using it. It's been almost 10,000 odd kilometers on it, and it's awesome helmet. And I just wanted something lightweight and pure carbon. We are planning a ride to Somnath from 25th April onwards. So I wanted something which is going to be very lightweight, which aids me in that long ride. It's going to be around 2300 odd kilometers put together, and we are supposed to complete it within 3 days. So that is the reason I have bought this full carbon LS2 Thunder Plus helmet. You can see I am not going to take this off as yet because I want to do some photo session with this. uh, so if you can see, there's this maximum aerodynamics. It is LS2 4x Cardo intercom ready. So LS2 is also into providing intercoms. They have partnered with Cardo, and they have started uh, creating unique intercoms for their top of the line helmet variants. Then you can see UV and scratch protection. Then you have got resistant to ultralight, uh, 6K carbon fiber. So this is a 6-layer carbon fiber helmet, still very light. Double D ring, the most or probably the safest helmet locking system that you get today on the market, with magnetic belt. You can see this, here it is. I hope you can see it. Apart from that, there's this wide peripheral vision which comes by default with this helmet. So just have a look at this, guys. One more important thing here, you can see you have a button here to press to unlock the visor, like this, and then the visor unlocks. If you see, it's a 3-stage locking visor. One, two, three. Okay. Then what we have got here, we have got good ventilation. One is here, if you can see here. Then we have got one here. Then we have got couple more here, and then there's this exhaust vent on the back end side. See, so I hope you liked this little unboxing video, and do comment what do you feel about this helmet, and let me know in the comment section if you need more information about this helmet. I'm definitely going to put a user review shortly. Thank you, guys. Ciao.